Hi there, today I'm unboxing a Wi-Fi smart plug. So this particular plug is by a company called Teckin and it retails on Amazon for £22. Actually comes in a 2-pack. So let's have a quick look around the packaging. So nicely packaged and very compact. Details there, Wi-Fi connection, app control, set timers and voice control. Specification just there. Interesting details. Obviously I'm in the UK. It's got a current rating of 16 amps, but generally plugs here are 13 amps, so that's a bit strange. But other than that, seems okay. And that's the actual app it works with. It's a Smart Life. And there's the actual plug. Okay, let's open it up and see what you get in the packaging. So it looks very similar to another plug I've done. So initially, let's have a look. So we've got a user manual. And that looks to be all in English. Flip it around. And there you go, all in English. So that's good. In the packaging itself, you've got the 2 plugs. And that's all. Okay, so let's have a look at the actual plug. It's a very compact in design. Let me show you the actual dimensions on it. So depth wise, we've got about 3 centimeters. The width is just under 5.5, and the height is around 6. So quite a nice compact design on there. Let's have a look around it. So you've got a button there to turn the actual plug on and off and reset if you wanted to, and there's nothing else around there. You've got a LED indicator there and some details here. Obviously the max load and 16 amps. Okay, let's make a start at configuring this smart plug. So if I go to the Play Store on my Android phone, click here and search for Smart Life, and you'll see it just here. So Smart Life, Smart Living. Click there, let's click install. Okay, so the app's installed, let's click open. And what you want to do is register an account. So click there, agree to the agreement, and just enter in your details and register. So let me do this offline and continue afterwards. Okay, so I've registered my account and logged into Smart Life, and now this is what you're presented with. So the next thing to do is click Add Device, and we want to go for electrical outlet. So power on the device and confirm that the indicator light rapidly blinks. So if I put my phone down for a moment, got my power strip here, and we can just plug it straight in. Now when it says rapidly blinks, it means the light here. So that looks fine to me, and if it doesn't blink rapidly, just hold on to the side button here for about 5 to 10 seconds, and then it should initialize the device and it should be flashing in that way. So let me put that down, take my mobile, I'll confirm it's rapidly blinking. Next thing is I'm going to type in my Wi-Fi password. Okay, I've typed in my password and this is what I'm presented with. So I'm just going to bring this closer. Okay, I've just heard it click. So it looks like it has connected. And there you go, shoots ahead. Okay. Adding device succeeded, click done, and there you go. On and off. Simple as that, very quick to add in. Okay, now let me show you the actual app. So if I click here, you can modify the actual device name. Device location is there. Check the network, so you can actually check it's actually on your network. Then you've got Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT. Okay, share devices. You can create a group with a number of these devices. Got device info, feedback, and check firmware update. Okay, that's pretty straightforward. Then you've got the switch here, turn it on and off. Then you've got a schedule option. So if I click on add schedule, you can set a time, for instance, and when you want a certain action to happen, so which day and what you want to happen, either turn it on or turn it off. So it gives you a lot of flexibility there to actually control it and have it on a timer. So if you're away from home for a number of days and you wanted random timers on this, to turn it on and off to make it oblivious to other people that you're not home, then this is probably a good way of doing that. Okay, let's go back. Timer. So you can set a timer, a countdown timer of when it's turned off. So if I did 0 and then I did 5 and clicked OK, the socket will turn off after 5 minutes if it was on. Okay, and then you've got this, statistics. So this actually gives you statistics on the actual power consumption. So quite an interesting feature here, and quite a useful one if you wanted to monitor usage of a particular device. So quite good, and that's all you've got on there. Okay, so I've set up my Google Home and Amazon Alexa. So let me show how to get them configured with the actual smart plug. So I've got my Android phone here and the two apps just over here. Let me start with the Google Home. So if I just cover that area as I click here, and we just want to select home control. Okay, so that shows the devices I currently have. If I click plus, you can see what services I've currently got linked. Now if I scroll down and look for Smart Life, okay, if we just click Smart Life, and then we should be presented with the login dialog. So use the credentials that you registered an account with. So let me type that in off camera. Okay, I've typed in my details and this is what I'm presented with. So I'm going to authorize access. Okay, now if I click on plus, you should see Smart Life there, so that's good, that's added that. And if I scroll down, there's the actual device. So I can give it a nickname if I wanted to. So I can call it lamp. Give it a moment. There you go, that's saved. So now what I should be able to do, if I unmute it.
The microphone is back on.
Let me turn my phone off and say, okay Google, turn on lamp.
All right, turning the lamp on.
Okay Google, turn off lamp.
Sure, turning the lamp off.
There you go, simple as that. Okay, so next, let me show how to configure the actual smart plug with your Amazon Alexa. So there's my one there. I'll start the app up, which is just there. So we go here first and we click on skills. And if we search all skills and we search for Smart Life, you'll see it just here. Okay, so if we click enable, you get a dialog asking for your account details. So these are the ones you've registered with. So let me enter them away from the camera. Okay, so then you're presented with this dialog. Just need to allow it to connect. So click authorize, give it a moment. Okay, so it's successfully linked. Click the X. Okay, smart home devices must be discovered before they can be used by Alexa. Let's click discover devices. Let's give it some time. So there you go, smart plug energy monitoring. So if I click there, turn it on, turn it off as standard. So, and we go there, edit the name, and again we can put in any name we wanted. So I can put in lamp, and if I now turn off my phone, I've unmuted the mic, and I can say, Alexa, turn on lamp.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off lamp.
Okay.
As simple as that. Okay, so the next thing I wanted to show was the device working on data. So this is my Wi-Fi at the moment, and if I drop that down and just turn off Wi-Fi, just give it a moment, it's connecting to 4G, and there you go. No ports to open up and no hub required for this device. Works straight away. So you could be out and about controlling your lights or any other devices you had plugged in to the smart plug. Okay, one of the things to note about this product, so as I've already mentioned, it is very nice and compact, but the way it's been designed, as soon as you plug it in, it sort of just nudges the button on your actual socket and turns it on. So if I demonstrate here, there you go, it's turned it on, and there's no way of turning it off. And same on this side as well, obviously. So just something to keep a note of. I'm surprised they didn't just take just a little bit off the sides just to avoid that happening. Okay, so you've seen the unboxing of this Wi-Fi smart plug. You've seen how easy it is to set up and configure. It works with both the Google Home and the Amazon Alexa. Very simple to configure on those two as well. So there you go. Hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing this. Details for this device are in the description below. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget to like and subscribe.